In the last video, I spoke about some common lies that people tell about cryptocurrencies, and I told you the real truths about them. Now, in this video, now that you've watched that particular video and you have now decided to go into crypto trading, cryptocurrency, this video I'm going to be telling you everything you need to know about cryptocurrency. And if you have not watched my previous video about it, I'm going to put a link to it in the description so that you can go ahead and watch it. All right, so A to Z of cryptocurrency, everything you need to know about cryptocurrency. Now let's go into it. Now we are going to be talking about most of the terms in crypto. That's what this video is about. What cryptocurrency is, a lot of things: Bitcoin, altcoin, blockchain, wallet address, blah 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 blah, all of those things then that you need to know about cryptocurrency. That's what we are going to be doing in this video. So in the next video, we will now go into the main practical of cryptocurrency, how to trade. Right? So now let's get into it. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency basically are digital tokens, right? They are a type of digital currency that allows people to make payments directly to each other through an online system. So basically, it's an online currency. It's a currency that you spend on the internet. Do you understand? That's what it means basically. Just like you have your normal naira, dollar, pounds, euro, or whatever currency it is that you spend in your country. That is what cryptocurrency is. Just that this one is not limited by country or region. You can spend it anywhere in the world, almost anywhere in the world. So, and payment is directly through people. Like there's nothing like the government's involvement and all of that. So Bitcoin, what is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a type of cryptocurrency, right? So just like the way you have your normal naira, dollar, they are types of currencies, right? Types of the normal currency that you know, types of currencies. Now, when it now comes to cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin is one of the types of currencies. Do you understand? Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency. Do you understand? But cryptocurrency is not Bitcoin. I hope you get it. So when they say cryptocurrency, there are a lot of cryptocurrencies. So when you hear for example, when you hear money, what comes to your mind will be naira, dollar, pound, euro, and all of that. Do you get? So Bitcoin is a type of cryptocurrency, and it exists in the digital form, like basically on the internet, without government backing, without government saying they are checking anything and all of that. So is a form of cryptocurrency. So we have a lot of cryptocurrencies, right? We have a lot of them, a lot of them. Now then we have altcoin as well. ALT coin, that's basically it means alternative coins, and it means any cryptocurrency that is not Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is the first major and most popular and most valuable cryptocurrency. So Bitcoin is the most popular. So any other coin that is not Bitcoin, they call them altcoins, alternative coins basically. Then we have blockchain. Is a decentralized digital record of transactions that is shared across many computers. I really don't know how to break down that to you, but blockchain is basically where your you could see it as a host where the whole cryptocurrency platform is being built, and it's something like I can maybe relate it to something like CBN or something like that. So it's a what's it called? It keeps digital records of all your crypto transactions and some other things that is shared among a lot of people like that. You can make more research on that. So there are a lot of cryptocurrencies, like I've said, and then other terms in cryptocurrencies. We have a crypto wallet. Now, what is a crypto wallet? A crypto wallet is basically like your normal bank account. When you open a crypto account, you automatically have a wallet, right? So for example, when you open a bank account, you have an account, right? You know that you have an account. You have a place, you have a wallet, like a place that your money comes into, right? So you have an account with a bank, right? So wallet is basically where your crypto assets are being stored, where it is stored, right? Where it's saved. The place is kept online. Then we have wallet address. What is wallet address? Wallet address is basically like your bank account number. Let me put it that way. That means synonymous to bank account number. You have your normal. Okay, for example, in Nigeria now, the most popular, like one of the most popular banks and accounts and all of that is OP, right? Although they didn't pay for adverts, but so I'm just saying, using it as an example. When you have your own paid, you know that your phone number is basically your account number. And for other banks, GT and so many other banks, they give you an account number, right? So that account number can be like what is called your wallet address. But when it comes to the case of crypto, it's usually very longer than the normal bank accounts that you know. It's very long. So most of the time, it's just best to copy it and paste it to anybody that wants to send you money. So it's basically where you receive money into on the internet. On your crypto wallet. So the address that you send to somebody so that the person can send money to you, so that the money can go directly into your wallet. So if you say the difference between wallet and wallet address is that your wallet address is like your bank account number. So any money that is received through your wallet address is the address that you sent to somebody. It's just like you send your account number to somebody. And when they credit you, it goes into your wallet. The same way your money will go into your bank account and it will reflect in your balance. So that's the differences between wallet and wallet address basically. Then we have bull markets, we have bear markets. What is bull markets? Generally when a period that a particular crypto assets, maybe Bitcoin, maybe or any other altcoins, a particular time that it rises up, that's what they call the bull market. Then we have the bear market as well. That is where the time that there is a fall in the prices. So for example, let's use the rate of naira dollar, right? I think these days, as at the time of me recording this video, naira is gaining against the dollar. So naira is having more value against the dollar. Do you understand? So, and there may be another time we come that the naira will just keep going down. You just see that in the market, maybe dollar has become 2,000 naira per dollar. Do you understand? Something like that. So a bull market is the period when a particular crypto asset, when the market rises, goes up, right? The bear market is when it falls. Then other crypto terms that we have FOMO, fear of missing out, basically. So it's an anxiety. When you have anxiety about missing out on profitable investments, maybe someone told you to make a particular trade and they told you that, oh, this thing, it's going to make sense, like in the next like 2 days you have like 1,000% profit. So even though you don't have money or you don't have you are not in a good emotional state to take that particular trade at that point in time, if you might have fear of missing out. I don't want to miss out in this, and then you go and put the money because you don't want to miss out, and at the end of the day you might even lose out. So that anxiety is fear of missing out. Then you have FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. That's when you have negative information that is used to manipulate the market. Like people use negative information to manipulate. There are so a lot of information that you might see on the internet that you might see on the internet. It's just for people to have some negative information about crypto. For example, the initial video I made about cryptocurrency, where some lies about cryptocurrencies and all of that, is part of creating fear, uncertainty, and doubt in the minds of people. Now, people do this intentionally, maybe because when it comes to money, markets, and things like this, it is There are a lot of things that dictates the market. So if people have fears about some things, they can maybe say they want to pull out their funds and all of that. So for some people, it's going to be a loss. For some people, it's going to be a gain. You get to understand better in my next video. So then we have HODL. So it's basically, it should mean HOLD, like a strategy of holding your coin during market fluctuation. But the reason why it's not HOLD is actually there was a time, it was very long time ago. I can't really remember the particular year. I think one of the whales in crypto. Now I'll still explain whales later in this video. One of the whales in crypto kind of wanted to say people should hold their market, wanted to type HOLD and then made a mistake, wrote HODL, and since that time people have been using HODL. So HODL is a strategy of you holding to your wallet during market fluctuations. So when market is going up, coming down, so if maybe a mentor in the crypto market is telling you that you should HODL it, basically it means you should hold the coin, don't sell it, don't panic. There is still hope, it's still going to rise, something like that. So it means you should keep that particular wallet. Then we have DYOR, do your own research. So it's like telling people that they should investigate before investing, because you might get a lot of crypto advices, crypto this one, do this one, do that one, take this particular trade and all of that. But it is actually good to DYOR, and basically you should do your own research. You should investigate before you invest. Don't just put your money into it because people are saying this, because people are saying that. Now if you even check the description of this video, you will see underneath it that I wrote something like, all these things are just information, me giving you information. I'm not saying in particular that you must put your money into this. So it's like a disclaimer, do your own research before you put money into it, something like that. Then whales, I said I was going to explain the whale. A whale is like somebody that has a large amount of cryptocurrency that can influence the market. So basically, if that person puts in a lot of money, it's with the crypto market will suddenly jump up, and if the person pull out, the crypto market will suddenly come. It is normal. Do you understand? For example, someone like Elon Musk is a very influential person in the crypto space, so he's a whale. Someone like Elon Musk is a whale. So that is it. Then we have stable coin. What does stable coin mean? Stable coin is a cryptocurrency with a stable price, that the price does not change. It doesn't go up, it doesn't come down. It is the value remains constant, and it is often pegged to an asset like US dollar. So basically what it means, what stable coins means, is that they are, for example now, Bitcoin and other coins, their value can go up, their value can come down. But if you store your cryptocurrency in a stable wallet, in a stable coin, basically it means that whatever it is that you put there, even if you come back in 50 years time, that's what you are going to meet there. So for example, if you buy $5,000 worth of crypto and you put it in a stable coin, something like, you have USDT, USDC, stable coins, they are examples of stable coins. So if you put them in, for example, USDT, USDC, it will still be that $5,000 that you put there 50 years ago, that you still meet there after 50 years. But if you put it in, you get $5,000 worth of Bitcoin, you put it in Bitcoin, in the next 50 years, that $5,000 might have become $10,000 or might have reduced to $2,000, depending on the value of cryptocurrency at that point in time. Do you understand? Then we have hot wallets, we have cold wallets. So hot wallet basically is an internet connected wallet. Like, it is convenient to use but more vulnerable to hacking. So it is the normal wallet that you know, that once you sign up on the crypto exchange platform, it is the normal wallet that will be given to you. That's a hot wallet. It's an internet wallet. So it's prone to hacking because somebody might get access to your password. You might lose your phrase, your login phrase, the phrase that you are supposed to use to log into your wallet. So the phrase that you are going, basically with the every crypto exchange platform usually have, when you sign up, they are going to give you like a 12 keyword phrases that for you to keep, and it is best that you keep them. It is best that you keep them locally and not on the internet, so that even if you lose access, you forgot your password, you can still use those phrases to actually log in to your crypto wallet. So that's hot wallet. Then a cold wallet is like an offline storage for cryptocurrency. So you can see it's something like an hard drive. It offers more security. Your crypto is not on the internet, it is with you. If you're in your bedroom, it's in your bedroom with you. It's like an hard drive, that is something like a flash drive. You move all your crypto wallet into it, you have it logged up with you. So on the internet is not there. When you log into your crypto wallet, you won't find anything there, but your money is with you in like a flash drive. Let me show you an example of a cold wallet. Let's go to the image. Yeah, you can see they look like flash drives, something like this. They are cold wallets, something like this. So these are examples of cold wallets. Then moving on. So if you are with me up to this point, drop it in the comment section and say don't leave me, or say I am with you. If you understand up to this point, say I am with you or don't leave me. Just drop it in the comment section. All right, so let's move forward. Now let's talk about crypto security, securing your crypto wallet. I think I've mentioned something similar to that. So it's good to secure your crypto wallet, right? Crypto is secure normally on its own, but you can't trust the next person close to you. You may not even be able to trust your best friend. So maybe somebody that you've been friends for long, and the highest amount the person has ever seen with you is something like $100, and then the person got access to your wallet and the person is seeing something like $500,000. Even though the person is your best friend, do you think the person will not be attracted to your money and be looking for ways to to steal them from you? So there are three major ways that you can keep your crypto wallet secure. The first is that make sure you use strong password, combinations of uppercase, lowercase, special characters, numbers, and all of that. Put them there. You can even add space inside your passwords and all of that. So just make sure that your password is very strong, and then use multi-factor authentication. So there is two-factor authentication, there is multi-factor. Multi-factor authentication basically means that even after you type your email and password, they will still send confirmation to your email, they will still send confirmation to your phone number, they will still send authenticator. There are several authenticators, like for example Google Authenticator. So they will still send a code there that you should enter this code. So have multiple factor authentication. When you want to withdraw, you can have passwords that you use to withdraw money as well. You can put all of those things in place. Multi-factor authentication, just to make sure you don't lose your money. Then keep your phrases locally and secure. The 12 digits phrase, I think is it 12 phrase? I think it's 12, maybe 10 or 12 thereabouts, but I think it's 12 phrases that they usually give to people when you have a crypto wallet. So the best thing is to download it and don't save it on the internet. You can print it out locally, save it, put it on a paper, or you don't even have to take it to a place to print it. Just use your hand to write it on the paper and keep the paper very safe and secure. Don't just put it in a random jotter. Do you understand? Now let me tell you this particular story of a friend of mine that when Bitcoin still had something like 2011, 2012, when Bitcoin did not have much value, he had several Bitcoin, a lot of Bitcoins in the wallet, maybe up to like 30, 40 Bitcoins thereabouts. He had it in the wallet, and then this thing I'm telling you is a true life story. It's actually a friend of mine it happened to, and then he forgot the all those phrases. And I mean, in those days, there are not much security authenticators for it and all of that. So, and he didn't even know that crypto is something that will later really become something big, right? But he lost access to the wallet. Till today, he has not recovered it. And come to think of it, check the value of one Bitcoin today. One Bitcoin to dollar is 160 as at the time of me recording this. Okay, this one is to naira. One Bitcoin is 162,483,000 naira. So to dollar, one Bitcoin to dollar is $112,177. So you can see that is now multiply that by the number of Bitcoin the person was having more than 20, but let's just do 20 Bitcoin to US dollar. So 20 BTC, if you can, that's 224, like over 2 million there, but I don't know. let me try to this one is just giving me value of one Bitcoin. Let's okay, let's take this value. This is naira now. Let's take this value and then multiply it by 20 times 20. You can see this is, I think, is it not 3 billion or 32 billion? That I'm saying that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now over 3 billion, 3.2 billion. And saying, so you can convert that to whatever currency that you are at this point in time. So basically, if you lose access to your crypto wallet, you know this song, it's gone. That's it basically. Your money is gone. So that's why you should keep it safe and secure, right? Because it's not being controlled by any bank. For example, if it's still your normal bank that you lost access into, you can still go into your bank. But this one is not controlled by a bank or government or anything. Do you understand? So that's how it is. And then I think that's all. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. The next video I'll be talking about how to create we're going to be fully practical. We'll be talking about how to create a crypto account, how to trade, how to make money from crypto. We talk about sports trading, futures trading, so many other things like that. So that's what you're going to be talking about in the next video. Okay, so subscribe to my channel, Damilola Adetunji, Prince of Digital Skills, if you want to see more videos from me, more videos on crypto, on web development, on several digital skills that you can learn and make money with. All right, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the future.